Out of bread? Try this easy and delicious lunch recipe. I'm sure you won't regret it. In a blender, add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of milk, and half a cup of oil. Mix well. Write in the comments below where you're watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for keep on following and sharing our recipes. When you're done blending, add 2 cups of flour and blend again until smooth. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us greatly. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and blend for 30 seconds. Put the mixture aside. I have a grill here. Grease it with butter. Don't forget to grease both sides of the grill, using enough of it to avoid any sticking. Turn the grill on. Add a part of the mixture inside, paying attention not to spill it outside. Use a spoon to spread it across. Close the grill and let the mixture cook for 3 minutes. As a filling, add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and spread it across. Finally, add 1 slice of mozzarella cheese, 1 slice of ham, another slice of cheese, and another slice of ham. Then sprinkle some oregano. Using a spatula, close our sandwich. Then close the grill again and leave it for 2 minutes. Repeat the process with the whole mixture that's still in the blender. You can choose your favorite filling. And our recipe is done! Look how tasty it is! I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm going to reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!